I'm going to show you how to put the tyres on without scratching the wheel. This is a special paste we use so the tyres don't leak from the rim. Usually you get problems leaking rims and etc, etc. I don't want that problem with this car. So I'm going to put these on now. Here we go, one in, to load the base round. Obviously these are quite low profile. I am not going to use my arm spray, so I'm going to use the machine to put them on. Set the leg in. Make sure it's not too close. Arm in. That's it, have a look. It's all in without a scratch on the rim. So cool. Now that we've done it, this is how the wheel looks. Just doing the balancing on this now. So it's a balancing machine is as tall as the balancer itself. Just done the balancing on this already. This is the first wheel we did. Here we go, 0, 0. All the weights are on there as well. We'll show you the car how it looks. This is how it looks at the moment. As you can see, with 20-inch wheels on.